Getting success on the YouTube is not easy, especially when there is so much competition. Whether we got the formula for viral videos or we master the SEO. So in this video, I'm going to review such a good VidIQ alternative with the help of you can find the keywords, you can do the SEO for your channel or the videos. So this tool is right now available on the app, so starting from just $59, and this is the Vidtechy. So with this tool, you can boost your video rankings with the SEO and get the more views with the help of AI powered video marketing toolkit here. So let me tell you about this tool here. First of all, when you connect your YouTube channel, it is going to give you all the stats like the subscriber, videos, total views, channel ID, URL, the keywords that is most getting the views for your channel, the privacy, all the stuff you are going to see here. Okay, then let me show you all the tools in its feature section. Okay, so right now on the menu section that is available on the left side, you can see we have the channel SEO, we have the separate video SEO, we have the competitor analysis, competitor analyzer, we have the research section for the keywords, topic idea research, keyword analyzer, title analyzer, description analyzer, and it is also going to help you to find the best hashtags here. Okay, then we have the thumbnail preview, thumbnail scraper, library, all this stuff. Then we can also create the custom avatars. Like you want to create or run the ads on the YouTube, there's this separate section available with the tools like the campaigns, ad targeting, ad swipes. Then we have the task manager, channel planner. All these tools you are going to find and use in this single platform, that is the Vidtechy. Isn't this platform is so much crazy, offering the so many good tools? Now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial on this platform here. But first let me talk about the lifetime deal that is starting from the $59, and if I go to the plans and features, you can see in the tier 1 plan you can connect up to the one channel. That is the sufficient as for me, because I run only the one channel. But if you have more than one channel, what I suggest, go with the higher plans. Like in the tier 2 plan you will get the 3 channels access here. Then there are the other features available like the SEO research module, video optimization, title tag or the description generator, topic research, keyword research, thumbnail tools. All the tools just I have showed you, you are going to get in the access, except for the ad tools here. Okay, so if you want to also get the access on the ad tools, you have to go with the tier 3 or the 4 plan here. So if you want to check it out, the deal, the link will be given in the description. And after buying, somehow if you are not happy with the platform, what I suggest, there's also 60 days money back guarantee. Just return it and your 100% money will be the back. Now let me give you a detailed demo on the Vidtechy here. So first of all, let me show you how you can connect your YouTube channel. So you have to go to the setting options. Okay, so you can find the setting option here on this section. Then you have to go to the YouTube channel setting, and here you can connect your YouTube channel. Just click here on the add YouTube channel and it will let you connect your YouTube channel. That is the 100% authentic and the secure. Then after that, on the dashboard, it's going to give you all the stats for your channel. Like I have told you, the subscriber, total views. Okay, this is the thing that you can find everywhere, but let me tell you the things that you cannot find, like the keywords that are getting the most of the views for your channel. Then the channel privacy, monetization, banner, all this stuff you are going to see in the single dashboard here. Then we have the monetization, yes, it is enabled. Then this is the checklist that you are going to see here. So if you are going to follow this checklist, it is going to the huge optimization for your channel and the videos. For me, like I have to validate and optimize my channel name, the URL, add and optimize your channel description. So one by one, if you follow all these steps, you are going to optimize all the things for your channel here. That is the thing and the certain. Now let me go to the channel SEO, and again it is going to show me all the steps I need to follow. Okay, first of all, it is going to ask me my main channel keyword and the description. Okay, so once I have added that, it is going to give me all these steps that I need to fill up here, and that's how I am going to just do the SEO for my channel. And there's also the suggested description. For example, if I click here on the suggest description, it's again going to ask me the keyword and the some outline for my channel and generate the description for me. And this is some of the best keywords for my channel. Simply what I can do, I can copy these keywords, get on here, suggest, let me add here, again add, click on this save, and now based on this, it is going to just generate the description for me. Okay, click here. Now let me click here, AI integration. Okay, I have to integrate my own AI here. Okay, so no worries, we can do that. Then we have the video SEO here. So here I am going to select any of the videos. Okay, so I have already added the project. Okay, I'm going to get into the project and I'm going to get starting with the keywords. For what is the keyword for me that I want to optimize the video here. So I'm going to get starting for the first step, that is the keyword research, and here it is going to ask you the keyword. Like I'm going to go with the AI video, okay, and it is going to suggest me some of the keywords here. So I want to create on the video like something AI video generated, okay. So I will edit my keyword, click here on the search keyword, and now it is going to give me the stats like the total, suggested, questions. So this is the different keywords you are going to see, okay. So this is all the keywords, and now here's the best part. Like I want to see the trend on the AI video generated, okay. So this is the keyword, and if I click here on the this section, okay, so it is going to give me this trend over the keyword here, okay. So this is the trend, this is really going good here. Same thing, I can go with the video here, okay. So this is keyword available on the YouTube as well as Google search engine. So that is the good thing. So suppose I have selected this keyword here, let me click here on the choose for the second step, and now it is going to give me the trends. Like I have told you, this is the trend it is going to show me. So this is the steps. If I click here, now it is going to open the Google trends, and here I can see the trend for this keyword here, okay. So trend is really good here, okay. Same thing I can do for the Google search engine, okay. And now let's see what is the trend. Yeah, for this on the Google trend is also good. So two things we have just verified, that this keyword is available on both on the YouTube and the Google, and both of them has the good trend, means I can create video on this, okay. Now let me go to the next step here, that is finding what is the opportunity, whether it's the competition is high, low, okay. So right now it is the medium chance, okay. So if I scroll down below, I can get the more breakthrough, like how many subscribers I need to rank my video on the higher. So I need the 6, but I have the really good amount of the subscribers. But for the views, I need around something like the 450 views, and my channel has the around 300 views. So I need to work on it, okay, because this is the important metrics that rank your videos on the search engine of the YouTube here, okay. Then breakthrough video, I have the 7. So out of 3 criteria, I am meeting the 2. I think I can go with this topic keyword here. Then this is the dominant channel. It is showing me that this channel is dominating for this keyword here, and I am getting all the stats like the views, subscribers, how many the average or the maximum things here, okay. So I got all the things, and this is all the competition videos I am getting here. So I am getting all the stats here, like their ranking, their video per view per hour, all this stuff here. So see, with this single video SEO option, I got all this stuff on topic I want to create the video here, okay. So once I have do that, I can go to the next step, that is the video SEO, then script writing and the video analysis, and I am done here. Okay, so without taking much more time, let me talk about the other features as well. So with the competitor insights, I can just research the competitor, I can analyze them, and I can even save their videos for further analysis and research. Same thing I can do with the research tools here. We have the keyword autocomplete, we have the keyword analyzer, we have the research section, hashtag finder, all this stuff. Okay, then this is the for the thumbnail preview. So if I click here on the thumbnail and upload my thumbnail, it is going to show me the thumbnail for all the different platforms and the device layouts. For example, this is the thumbnail I have just recently created one of my videos, and after that let me add the title, that is the demo. And if you don't know the title and the thumbnail combination, what makes the viewer to click on the video, so make sure you also understand that. So right now you can see on the desktop view, this is how the my thumbnail is going to view, and this looks really good here. Then this is for the tablet, and this is for the mobile view. So this is how it's thumbnail preview looks like. And if you want to also download any of the thumbnails for the study research, there's the thumbnail scraper available. All you have to just enter the YouTube URL, and it is going to scrape the thumbnail that you can download here. Okay, now let me click here to custom avatar. So here with the help of this tool, you can create your avatar for the channel. Okay, then for this tool I don't have the access. Okay, don't worry, because I want to also talk about the other things. So we got here auto subscribe link. So if I click here on the auto subscribe link, it is going to give me a link. If I add this link on my channel description or the video description, and anyone going to click on it, the person will be automatically subscribed. So this is the link I can also create here. Okay, then we have the description rewriter, we have the embed code generator, video ID finder, so many tools that in the single video I cannot cover. So if you want a detailed video like the 15 or the 20 minutes on the all of the tools feature of the Vidtechy, just let me know in the comments. Or you want a comparison between the Vidtechy or the VidIQ, also let me know in the comments. I will create a detailed video on that topic as well. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about the tool is really potential here. It got the around 10 reviews. I think it is just launched the last week and everyone just loving this tool here. So starting from the $59, you can also get the lifetime deal of this tool. Like the VidIQ, you don't have to pay the monthly or the yearly subscription charges, just pay the one time and you will get the lifetime access. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.